Welcome to another episode of Living in Tahoe. I'm Tahoe Tony, your host, and today we are in Zephyr Cove, Lake Tahoe, Nevada, and we're at the Elk Points Country Club. This is such a great little neighborhood. I'm so excited to show you today, and I've got a great house to show you. It was built in 1948. It's been added on to, thank goodness, because it was a tiny little cabin back then, but it's super awesome. So come on, let's go check it out. Haha. Don't stop this video. At the end, I'm going to show you this amazing beach and marina that comes with this house. It's incredible. One of a kind, the only one in Tahoe like it. As you come in from the front door, I love it. It's got this slate floor in here, so if somebody's tracking in snow or whatever, you're protected. We've got a laundry room here. They're kind of using it as a slash mud room, which I really like as well. And then there's a beautiful half bath that somebody spent a lot of time redoing. It's a showcase half bath of the house. I love it, it's gorgeous. And then you walk right into this great room. And this whole house is super neat. Like I said, it was built in 1948. And obviously it's been updated since then. They've added on, I think we were like in the original house here. And then all the upstairs and then over the garage and everything is all bedded down too, but I'm not sure. Because Elk's Point, like, wait a minute, Tahoe, Tony, there's not elk in Lake Tahoe, are they? And you're correct, there are not. But there is an Elks Lodge in Reno, Nevada. And back in 1925, they got together and they bought 25 acres of lakefront land here for $5,000. What an investment, right? And they had 114 lots and there's now 91 homes in this little area that the Elks built for themselves and their families to enjoy. So tiny little lots, cute little cabins, so much personality and character in this neighborhood. It's great. And they have this beautiful, beautiful marina, which I'm gonna show you later. So stick around to the end because you're gonna love that marina. It's incredible. It's probably not the greatest asset for this house, but it takes this house and puts it up much higher because you have access to this gorgeous marina with your own little boat slips and such. So super killer addition to this house, but let's go check out this house for now and we can talk about that later. And stick around to the end because I have some before and after shots. So some before shots before they did this remodel, and you're gonna love it, is it looks so old Tahoe. You gotta see that. So stick around to the end and I'll show you that. So we've got a great big family living room here. You come in the main entrance. We've got the upstairs. We have 4 bedrooms upstairs. Three, four. I'll show you later what that means. You're like, what are you talking about, Tony? And then as we come over here with this beautiful, very large kitchen. So this house is over 3,100 square feet. So you need to have a big kitchen like this to service all these bedrooms and everything. And they nailed it here. Look at this giant island right in the center of it. This is, I can just imagine people hanging out here when you're having a party or you got your family here celebrating somebody's birthday or something. And then this massive GE monogram refrigerator is gonna be able to hold enough food for all your friends here because this is great. So we've got double ovens over there, a microwave, a nice gas cooktop. So these are all GE monograms, so really nice appliances with plenty of storage space. We got a dual sinks, we got a trash compactor, and then windows looking out. This is kind of like a southeast look anyway, so you're gonna get a lot of sunshine here, which is great. You always want a lot of sunshine in your kitchen, right? And then back over here, I'm making Elizabeth work hard today. She's my videographer. This is your pantry. So I like what they did there. They have this whole wall and they just filled it full of cabinets. So all your dry goods and spices and everything else can fit in here. And they did a really neat job with that because it just blends with all the other cabinets, has a great feel to it, a nice Tahoe feel to it. I like that. And then we have this workspace here. So I don't know about you, but sometimes when we cook, we pull up a recipe on our laptop and that's just so great to have it right here. Or if you're cooking something, you can sit down and write a missive to one of your friends while you're waiting or whatever. So it's nice to have a workstation here. You bring in all your mail, you throw it there, right? All these little cubby holes, which I would probably lose stuff in there, so I wouldn't use those, but my wife would. She's very organized. So a great kitchen, very useful, nice amount of space, and really nice detail in the cabinets and everything like that. And then over here, when you're talking about a big house, look how massive this round, when I always think of round tables, I always think of that king, right? What was his name? King Arthur on the round table. So you don't have a head of the table here, right? But this is great. You also have your spinner there in the middle so you can serve wine or food to anybody. And this is great. And then you have a door out here, and this door goes to the garage. So if you had to come in from the garage or whatever, you're right there. I like that. And then this, I really love this feature on here. So downstairs, you have a full ensuite bedroom. So if somebody is not good at walking up and down stairs, they don't have to in this house. And that is a great feature. You'd be amazed at how many clients I have say, Tony, we want a house with a bedroom suite on the downstairs. So when our older parents come to visit, they don't have to go up and down the stairs. So having this feature is fantastic. So it's a good sized room. You've got your full ensuite bathroom here, a little bit of a walk-in closet here. So even if you weren't a guest, there's a large enough closet you can just hang out here and be very comfortable and never have to go up and down the stairs. So very well designed in this house. So another great feature about this house I really love is coming right out of the kitchen, you have this gorgeous deck. So once you come out of the kitchen, you have this massive deck. Look at all these chairs. You got room for so many people. And also you have this beautiful yard out here with green grass, a little she shed over there, a gorgeous gazebo with a little fire station in between. So very useful for entertaining in all seasons here. So, I mean, you wouldn't want to be out here in the wintertime, but this would be great. It's fall right now. It's comfortable. It feels great. You've got gas here. So if you needed to put in a heater out here, you could. You can extend your season a little bit longer, but a very nice house for entertaining. I love that. And then I haven't even gotten to the beach yet. So just this house alone is fantastic. I love it. Let me introduce myself before I go show you the rest of the house. I'm Tahoe Tony Tuoto, the managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. And I've been selling luxury real estate in Tahoe for over 28 years, and I love doing it. I love helping people. I love helping people save on taxes, and I love helping people find a beautiful dream home. So if you're thinking about making a move, you wanna reach out to me, even in 6 days, 6 months, or even 16 months, reach out to me. My team and I will get back to you. We'll make sure this is the best real estate experience you ever had. And if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and click on the subscription button, and you'll be the first one notified when I put out more videos about what it's like to live in Tahoe, enjoying the tax advantages of being a Nevada resident, and what's going on in the market. Is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to sell? Whatever it is. So check that out, and let's go look at the rest of this house. So we're at the top of the stairs here, and above where all the bedrooms are. It's great. It's almost like you get to the top, and it's like on the golf course, it's scatter. It's like bedrooms, bedrooms, bedrooms. It's great. But let's go check out the master suite first. So this is kind of like a bonus area of the master suite. We've got a little bed in here, but it's not really a bedroom. There's no egress, so this isn't considered a bedroom, but obviously you could sleep there, but it could be a dog bed. You could create an office in here. You could use it as a nursery if the parents are here and you've got little ones here. So many options. We've got this beautiful built-in. It's the same gorgeous wood and pools they use in the kitchen. They put in these built-ins up here. So this make a great office, right? I love it. And then you're right next to the master suite here, which is massive. I love it. They did a great job here. Nice tall ceilings, beautiful skylights. So the sun shines in Tahoe an average of 300 days a year. So having skylights in here, you're gonna average 300 days of sunshine in your master bedroom. How cool is that? So beautiful windows. We're facing Lake Tahoe right there. Actually, we've got a little peek of the lake, which it's just enough to see, like, is it a good day to go wakeboarding? Is it a good day to go out paddleboarding in the lake? No, it's a little bit rough right now. We'll go paddleboarding later. So I love that, having to be able to see that. So ceiling fan, you've got that. They've got their portable air conditioning here. There's a week or two of the year where it gets a little warm, so having an air conditioner upstairs is nice. And then they've got this massive, oh, I almost forgot, the romantic little wood stove here. This is a gas fireplace, not a wood stove, Tony. It's a gas fireplace, and it's gonna heat this room up nicely. And it's got a little ambiance. If you're laying in bed, let's have a little fire, Tahoe fire. It's great, right? And then I got excited because this bathroom is so luxurious. And then we have this massive spa style bathroom. You got to check this out. Everything you need to be super comfortable. We've got, right when you come in, we've got a jetted tub, which is awesome. So after a day of skiing, you can lay in the tub and just relax and maybe have a glass of wine and enjoy yourself. Dual sinks here. We've got a massive shower with extra shower heads, a separate toilet room, then a big walk-in closet, and then more closets over here behind the mirror door. So very luxurious spa style bathroom, just what you deserve, right? If you want to spoil yourself, this is fantastic. I love it. So just coming out of the master bedroom suite, we're at the top of the stairs. We've got a nice, really good sized bedroom here. It's very comfortable. And then over here, we have a bath that is Jack and Jill for this bedroom over here. And then it's kind of interesting, you know, when you do remodels or whatever, you got to take what you get, but they put a bedroom back here. So you walk through the bathroom to get to the bedroom. There's a shower here. So yeah, this is a little bit funky, but when you're remodeling a house, you got to do what you got to do. But they were really smart in just putting as many bedrooms and bathrooms as they possibly could in here. So just imagine, this house was built in 1948. How many Christmases and birthdays and anniversaries were spent in this awesome house? I love it. So the more family you can get up here in Tahoe, the better. So this is the bedroom door that goes to the other bedroom. So people come in and out, they can get ready here, then someone's over there behind another door taking a shower. So very smartly designed to get used for lots of people having a lot of fun in this awesome Tahoe house. I promise you a before and after to show you what this house looked like before. So this is what this room looked like before. Isn't that awesome? Just typical, beautiful, cute old Tahoe. I love it. And now they did this remodel in 2005 and it looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Having a garage in Tahoe is so nice, and you expect with such a beautiful house, you would have a nice garage, and they nailed it here, right? They've got the really nice tall ceilings, which I really like, because you could probably get a Sprinter van in here. You definitely get a Suburban with ski racks and everything else, which so many people have in Tahoe. So really smartly designed. We've got an extra refrigerator here, shelves, and I love the different access. So you can come in from the front yard, or you can go out to the backyard. It's a really nice egress and everything flowing out of here. So this, you know, because your garage is not just a place for your car, but it's also your workstation. So you've got your snow blower or whatever. And they have drains in here, really smart too, because a lot of times in the wintertime, you've got snow on your car, now you've got a place for it to go, so it's not gonna ruin any stuff you have stored in here. But come in, I noticed over here, they also have a hot water adjustable. So you've got a hose, so if you wanna wash off a dog or do something, wash off your car with hot water, you can do that, it's great. But let's come out to the yard, Elizabeth. This is fantastic. It's such a beautiful day. And they have this gorgeous yard with grass. Grass is so nice. Dogs love grass. We'll play on grass. You can do games on grass. And then this beautiful little gazebo area is fantastic. I mean, I could just imagine sitting out here with your friends, talking late at night, enjoying wine, telling stories of all your great family traditions in Tahoe and such. I love it. What a fun place. It's great. You have 360-degree view. Again, it's sunny, it's gorgeous. And then the whole yard is fenced. So if you've got little ones or dogs, you don't have to worry about them wandering out, which is really great, because the last thing you want to lose a dog or one of your children, of course. That would be horrible. Horrible, horrible. Let's check out this little shed. I was told this is a she shed. I have not been in here yet, so this is the first time for Tahoe Tony. Let's see what we got. It is a nice little shed. Check it out. Just this fun little shed you can do so much with. If you've got little kids, this could be their outdoor playroom, or you could turn it into a craft room, or if you're doing lots of meetings and you don't want to be in the house, you could set it up as your satellite workstation, right? So many great uses for this. I like it. Not an ADU. This is not an ADU, so don't think you can rent this out. Some people think, I can rent that out. No, don't do that here. It's not allowed. So an awesome house in a great location, but the best is coming up yet. So let's go check out the Marina. So many great features about this house. I love it. But now we're getting to the best. I promise you this, right? You saw the before and after pictures. Now look at this. This path right here is gonna take you all the way to the lake and the private marina. So a quick, short walk down to the private marina just for you and all the people in this neighborhood. And it's a marina that could not be built nowadays. They did this back in the 1920s. TRPA would not allow this, so this is something that can't be duplicated. It's just for this neighborhood. So if you buy this house, only you would have access to them. So the house is right there. We got to walk down this little walkway, and then the beach is right here. So you're maybe 5 minutes if you're walking slowly, maybe 5 minutes coming back uphill, but 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes from the beach, which is awesome. So let's go check this beach out. It looks beautiful. So this is what makes this house at 405 Center Street so special. This incredible private beach is gonna be all yours as a homeowner in Elk Point's Country Club. So this is incredible. So 1925, that's 100 years ago, a group of people from the Elks Lodge got together and said, let's buy this beach and this land. We have 114 lots. We could put 114 little cabins out there because this was just used in the summertime back then. I mean, they really didn't have good roads getting up here in the wintertime. So just little summer cabins, get out of the heat down in Reno, enjoy yourself in beautiful Lake Tahoe. This is fabulous. And then as the years went on, they consolidated some of the lots, put bigger houses on there. People living here full time now because it's totally amazing. But this beach is incredible. So just for the homeowners, they own all this. They've got a beach volleyball court here. They've got a beautiful barbecue area over there. And if you look out here, they got a little swim area. So it's nice and protected. So you don't have to worry about somebody coming in with a jet ski and hitting you or your child. Little platform out there. And then this incredible marina. And the cool thing is they're redoing the marina right now. So if you purchase 458 Center Street now, next year you're gonna have a brand new marina with boat slips in and everything. So, and the good news is the owner of 458 Center, the seller, is paying for it. So the fees have already been paid. You get to come in. You do have a membership joining fee. I think it's $20,000. Yes, that's expensive, but it is a country club basically. So I love this area, beautiful beach. We've got room for your kayaks, your paddle boards. There's racks over there. There's plenty of parking, but most people are just walking down from the neighborhood. This is incredible. Well, let's go check out the barbecue area too. It's really nice. Isn't this fabulous? So you and all your friends who live here get to use this exclusively. We've got your updated regular barbecue over there. Then you have your big open pit barbecue here. So if you wanted to have a big party, a big prime rib or something with your friends, you've got this. Got a little bit of wind protection right there. I love that. And then just the views here are incredible. This is amazing. This is living in Tahoe right here. What a great way to live. You've got your own private beach for you and your friends. You've got a protected marina that you couldn't build today. There's no way the Tahoe Regional Planning Agency, we call them TRPA, would allow you to build that. They don't allow you to move rocks or anything like that. So that was done 100 years ago. And they got it in before the TRPA was invented or created. And now they get to enjoy all this. So that's what you get to enjoy if you are a member of the Elk Points Country Club. So if you bought 458 Center Street, you get to be a member here. So it's fantastic. You gotta love this.